Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold2 Tom Brown Edition. Comprised of the Z Fold2, Buds Live, and Watch 3, with additional phone cases and watch straps. The premium lineup begins with the Z Fold2. The phone embodies an iconic design philosophy in the Tom Brown gray with a matte haze effect and the multicolored grosgrain stripe. A flip cover for formal affairs, and a back cover for casual. An exclusive daily lock screen features artwork sketched by Tom Brown. The 4-bar design from the home screen continues seamlessly to the back cover. A scroll and a click. The customized app icons and theme complement the overall design. Beyond these features, there are 2 exclusive photo filters for a signature expression of the Tom Brown world. Every single detail is customized to complete the premium experience. Buds Live, small and sleek. They fit perfectly inside the leather case in Tom Brown gray. Finally, style meets function in Watch 3. The highly crafted piece comes in Tom Brown gray with a haze finish and delicately engraved logo on the body. 5 watch faces offer deeper customization to match your needs. A continuing collaboration of classic ideas and innovative technology. The Galaxy Z Fold2 Tom Brown Edition.